My name is Advay Agarwal and this is lesson 4 of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In lesson 3, we have covered how to make the white face and the colorful teeth. So, in today's episode, we will learn to solve the middle layer. This layer, as you can see, the middle layer. And so, what's the first step? So, as we saw in the last episode of how to solve a Rubik's Cube, we had covered how to make a teeth. So, what you will do, you will flip the board, flip the cube around like this, so that the yellow face should be pointing upwards. Now what will I do? I will search for an edge piece with any two colors except yellow. So why do we need two colors except yellow? So if you take a yellow piece with this, if you put it here, for example, the yellow face will not be complete and this is the white face. So, that's important, you must be careful. We'll search for an edge piece right now. Okay, I got here red and green. So, I will drag it to the green center so that it could match it like this. So, where is the green center? Yeah, here at the back side. So I'll do this. So I will take the top layer here like this. Now what will I do? I'll follow a big algorithm, not that big, but it's big. We will do you. If you can't understand you, please go back to lesson 1. So now, what we will do? We'll do now R. If you want to do this on the right side, for me it's in the right side. No, wait. Yeah, we need to do it at the left side. Okay, I did it wrong this time. So what I'll do UI. If you can't understand this, please go back to lesson 1. Now I'll do L. Li. Now I'll do U. Now I'll do L. Now I'll do U again. Now I'll do F. F. Now I'll do UI. And now I'll do Fi. And you can see, here we got this. Now let me search for another edge piece. Oh, here I got one. Red and blue. It's already in its place. So I'll follow that same algorithm of the left side only. Oh yeah, I have done this. Now let me search for another edge piece. Okay, I got here orange and green. I'll drag it to the orange center and now I'll do the same algorithm the third time. Now I'll do the same algorithm again. No right algorithm this time, but actually I'm going to tell you the right algorithm if you have got the right algorithm. Suppose there is a yellow piece here and this is coming here. Just forget about this yellow cross. We are not concentrating on the yellow face. So, we'll do it if it's here and this is here. So, we'll follow an algorithm. That is then R, then UY, then RI, then U, then FI, then U and F, and you can you can understand this and you can try this many times. So I'm just going to do it back as it's on the left side only. Yeah, and it's done. Please like if you like my Rubik's Cube lessons, please like and share this video, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. Bye.